All right, check it out, guys. Back with another Kia GDI, Kia Optima. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a couple things to be aware of. Oh, what's up? So, come around here, open her up. Right here, lift lever, lift up. Now she is, because this was a big variable when I was going to purchase parts. Let's see if I can pull it up. You see how it says only fuel gasoline? Okay, so that matters because there's a hybrid version and then there's the gasoline only version. Yeah, so this is the engine. You know, I wanted to give you an accurate reading of the actual displacement of the engine. I don't see the tag on here though, but this is the GDI. It's the non-turbo one. Basically, it came in not starting, had crank, had power, had no fuel. So as you can see the way it's sat, obviously it's been used to its extent, but it was never really taken care of. How to access the fuel pump? Come in here, the doggy door. It's 4 Phillips screwdrivers, right? Come around here, get the 2 bolts closest on the outside out there, or just come in here and you can get the 2 closest, how I did it. Here, you need a specialty tool to get these inner clips out. How can I show you? They're like little shark teeth. These right there, 1 and 2. So basically, I poked it with a screwdriver and flexed them out as I pulled. That released off of here. And on this one, you push these blue tabs on both sides. If I can get it on both sides of the clip. Push them in, and that'll release it. And there's a power clip here. It's common sense. You push down and pull back. But on this one, it has the tab right there on the inside, and so you have to push it back. To show you, this is the tab. It sits in there like this. You push it back and then wiggle it out. It's the hardest one. But yeah, this is how you access the fuel pump. And then I went ahead and put my insignia right here. Basically, you see the yellow sources where you're gonna want to hit and tap out to rotate this clip. You see how it has the fins? It has the fins right here. And so you want to like go that way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So yeah, I'm gonna tap it there, I'll pull it out, we'll swap it. Just wanted to do a small video just to show you guys these Kia Optimas seem to be very loyal cars, just very minute little issues. So just wanted to do a video on it, like I always do. Of course, you know, we always do it with new gear, professional. But yeah, this is the car, we did it. We're getting the pump in. Go ahead and show you guys the part number before I end this video. And you guys trying to get this part, waiting for that sponsor. This is at O'Reilly's A33138. This is the part, and it's the full assembly. I didn't cheap out. I bought the whole unit, filter and all, spring, levelers, everything. So this will be going in shortly. Like and subscribe. As you can see, the funny connector and the sideways one. Always do your research before you purchase anything. Make sure you have the right stuff. New seals. All right, guys. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if you need any help. All right, y'all. This is Michael at Mad Mike's Customs. Just wanted to come back real quick, give you guys a little tune in where I'm at, what I did, how good I did, and where I'm at as far as what's necessary to complete the job. There'll be a following video on this. You guys go ahead and like and subscribe, watch, follow. We'll go ahead and get in here. This is the doggy door, 4 Phillips. You got to remove the interior panels. In here, again, there's the teeth that I was explaining that bite onto this hose. So you have to push those out. Those are in now. It's brand new. This is the 2 clips on each side you have to push in. So that side's out. Additionally, there's the clip installed. Right there. Push that clip, pull up. And then on the back, you'll push this clip down and pull back. Normally I put a screwdriver behind the clip to push it out, and then I'll put like a flathead or a picker in here and then kind of like lift this up on all 4 sides gradually. with this runner that I had explained earlier when I put the yellow, as you can see where the hooks are, it goes from here all the way here and then back. So I put it about midway because it's all jammed in there. I didn't want to do it the full way. It was really difficult to remove. So hopefully for the next person, this is lifetime warranty as well. So the customer is insured, everything. It has the full leveling system, full housing unit, full high pressure fuel pump, gasoline only, not the hybrid gas. This is a standard fuel only. But basically I just wanted you guys to see what I did, how I did it. And I wanted to give an explanation about exactly how physical it really was removing that retainer clip. And I'll be honest with you guys, it was difficult. I would not suggest this for a rookie, but I'm gonna use both hands. All right, guys, we're gonna edit this in. Hopefully you guys like it. Mad Mike's Customs, like and subscribe. I'll go ahead and do a walk around of the vehicle. It came in with a crank no start, ended up being the fuel pump. I hope you guys enjoy this. I love working on these cars. I love helping customers, and I enjoy people watching my videos and taking pride in what they see. Again, that's Mad Mike's Customs. I hope you guys like what you see. Like and subscribe. Let me know. Excuse me, I'm doing this by myself at the moment. Hopefully when time comes soon, we'll have somebody here to help me with the camera. All right, guys. Peace.